Now, here's a story that does not get the kind of attention it deserves: the impact of the pandemic on shopping. It has been profound, to say the least. The restrictions and safety concerns drove a lot of us to embrace e-commerce. Now, as most of the world emerges from lockdowns, the way we shop is also changing. Look around yourself. Most people consciously avoid paying through cash now. They're making the most of technology and paying digitally through apps. The Russians are trying to do away with the apps too. They've come up with the technology where you can pay just with a glance. How does that happen? Wait till you watch our next report.
This customer is not taking a selfie. He is paying for his coffee. Welcome to Cafe Prime in Moscow. You don't really have to hand over cash or cards here. Or for that matter, scan those cryptic QR codes. All you've got to do is stare at the camera and grab what you like. This is the future of shopping. A new facial recognition payment system that has been launched in multiple supermarkets and cafes in Moscow. But it works only after you download the required app and enter your biometric information. The uptake of this technology is promising. In Cafe Prime, more so, because you get a 20% discount every time you use the method.
This is a new technology. This is very interesting. Plus, there is a discount 20% for paying via facial recognition.
It is not necessary to take the credit card. I often forget the credit card at home. So in my opinion, paying via the Face ID is much better.
The X5 Group, Russia's leading food retailer, was the first to come up with this technology. Earlier this month, it joined forces with Russia's state giant Sberbank to roll out this technology in 52 of its supermarkets, inspiring smaller stores to do the same.
There are currently more than 5,500 self-checkouts equipped with the facial recognition module. We are planning a rollout throughout the entire country in the near future.
But how does the technology really work? Facial recognition is a biometric technology used to identify an individual from a facial image. The technique makes it possible to authenticate one's identity, to check if an individual is who he or she claims to be. A person's face is compared to an existing image in a database, which in return helps to identify the individual. Every little detail is taken into consideration: the base of the ears, the distance between the two pupils, the shape of the nose, eyebrows and mouth, even the skin grain. Hair and clothes are not taken into account. Originally, this method was used to fight crime. Now it is being used to access bank accounts and social media platforms. But with rising popularity, there are also growing security and privacy concerns. Here's why. Number 1. In countries without personal freedoms, where governments have no limits to the use of technology, facial recognition could be used to spy upon the citizens. 2. Ultimately, facial recognition data gets stored in servers, and as with any other computer system, it is vulnerable to hackers who can use the data to commit identity fraud. And 3. There is a lack of regulation. There is no consistent legal framework for its use and limits. Nobody knows what businesses adopting facial recognition are doing with your data. That is not to say that facial recognition technology is all about the cons. It has its advantages too. A 20% discount on your coffee is not the least of those advantages. Bureau Report, WION, World is One.
WION is now available in your country. Download the app now and get all the news on the move.